Hello, in this lab we are going to look at 12.3.10, which is to secure a home wireless network. So you are working on a small home network. You recently created a wireless network to allow the owner's laptop and mobile devices to make a connection to the wired network and the internet. However, without additional configuration, the wireless access point will allow connections from any laptop or mobile device. You need to secure the wireless network from unauthorized access. In this lab, your task is to access and assign into the TP link AC750 wireless access point, and the URL is provided, username provided, password provided. Then change the setting on the wireless access point using this SSID provided. Authentication is going to be WPA2 personal. Encryption is going to be AES. Security keys provided also. So we're going to change the wireless access point administrator authentication credentials from their default using the following. Username is as admin, password stay out, and do not save these credentials in the Internet Explorer. So configure the laptop to connect to the wireless network and save the wireless profile setting as listed above. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. So let's start lab. Remember that this is lab 12.3.10. So we start lab. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. So let's start up. Let's input the IP address 192.168.0.254, and then we'll start up. The first task is to let's input our username and password that was provided. Alright, so we are now inside, and then the first task is to change the settings on the wireless access point using the following details. Okay, so we'll go to services, we'll go to wireless rather, and then wireless network SSID, we change it to police van, and then wireless security, WPA. Authentication is going to be WPA2, and encryption is going to be AES. So we select AES here, and let's see the WPA shared key. Let's see what's okay. We type it in. This is the security key that was provided, and let's save. No, there's something we've not added here. Then let's go to see, change the wireless access point administrator authentication using the following SSID. So this username is going to be admin, and password. You can just copy all of these details if it will be faster for you. So we re-enter the password again just to confirm, and then let's see, we can now apply changes. Let's check our answers. Alright, so if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.